What's up, guys? So today we're going to start working on the high fidelity design, and to keep things moving along a little quickly, I recorded this and I've sped it up, and I'm going to watch it back with you and tell you what was going through my mind as I was doing certain things on there. Now, I took that mid-fidelity wireframe that we did last week, and I took it to a few people, got their thoughts on it, and they thought the content that was going to be there was great, and they didn't really say that they felt like it was missing anything, so we're just going to roll with that. So I'm going to be referencing that wireframe a little bit during this design, and so that's pretty much what we're going to do today. So before we go ahead and jump into this, I just wanted to thank you guys who have subscribed. You guys are the ones who make this channel happen. So if you like these videos that I'm creating but you haven't subscribed yet, I'd encourage you to go ahead and subscribe because you guys are the people who really make this channel happen. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump on into this and watch me do this design. Alright guys, so I've got an artboard open right here, and I'm just pulling in the logo and getting it lined up. And you're going to see me referencing the old design, well, not the old design, the mid-fidelity wireframe that we did last week. So right now, I'm just getting the video in place. I'm setting it about 10 pixels from the left and right, I believe. So I've got like a 10 pixel margin going down the sides. Just pulling in some of the text. Now we created that text in the mid-fidelity video last week, and I ended up liking it. Actually, I wasn't expecting to like it, but I did, so I'm gonna keep it for now, and that can always change in the future. I'm not 100% set on all the text yet. I kind of want to get a few people's opinions on it before I commit to it 100%, but right now, let's see, just getting a couple text styles, I guess, and yeah, there's some text styles. Alright, so let's pull in some of the popular videos. Right now I'm just looking for a few thumbnails, but then I remembered I have a few on my computer from the previous videos in these series. Unfortunately, I only had like 4, so I still had to go to YouTube and try and grab a few, but I'm going to update these photos with legitimate thumbnails before I present it to anyone. After this video. Cool. I'm liking the way that section looks. I don't know if I like. I don't think I liked the three rows at all. So. Yeah, and now this is just a lot of me trying to figure out what to say here. I'm very terrible at talking to well, I'm not great at talking in general, but I'm very terrible at talking about myself. I just hate it, and so I have no idea what to write here. I might talk to a writer I know and see what he thinks about the tone for this whole website, because I really like the tone that I've got going at the top. And I'm probably gonna rewrite this section down here now that I'm thinking about it, just because I'm not 100% sure or 100% certain that I like it. So I'm not gonna commit to that right now. But as far as styling goes, that's really what I was focusing on right here. So I'll see what my writer friend thinks about that and see if he thinks it matches the tone as well. I don't think it matches the tone perfectly or anything like that. But we'll see. I don't know yet. Alright, so these are the cards for the series. I changed the title from courses to series. I just think it fits better, and it fits the YouTube lingo a bit better. So I'm just getting, you got the title and you got the description here. And then I'm going to turn it into a, there we go. Turned it into a symbol. Alright, going through. Now we're going to work on the footer a little bit. You know, I was thinking about having it weighted with like a darker color, like the black color in the mid-fidelity prototype, mid-fidelity wireframe. It's really difficult saying mid-fidelity and high fidelity a lot of times. But after I put it down here, I just realized that that's not gonna work because I wanted to have like a dark theme and a light theme. And now that I'm thinking about it, I don't want to have like my large elements being dark on my light theme and then vice versa. So anyways, right now I'm just getting the, YouTube and Patreon brand resources and looking at a couple of the guidelines, seeing how it works, getting their colors in here. Yeah, getting their logo. I do like these buttons, although I do create a couple different variations of them, and I think I like them much better later on. And no, I'm not gonna use the Patreon logo that I just recreated here. I'm probably gonna pull in Font Awesome and use the logo that they have for them. But the logo they have is, is a single colored SVG, and I can change the color of it like I did here. So I was just getting an idea of how that'd feel. And up top, what I just did was I changed it to 2 columns. With 3 rows, so that it's weighted a little differently and not so small, and I do think I like that a bit. So I'm liking this dark here. I think the red button, the YouTube button, looks pretty cool as white and red on black instead of red and white on black. And the Patreon, this is what I was talking about the Patreon button. I was very unsure of what to do here for a little while, but I think this is what I ended up sitting with. It was the white and the orange, and yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. So I think this is the final designs that I had set on. I think it looks pretty good, honestly. I like it. I think the text up top works great. I think the light and the dark theme works very well together. It reminds me of YouTube a little bit. The dark theme reminds me of YouTube a little bit. I just got the update on my phone a couple days ago, so I've been able to have the dark theme on YouTube on the app for a while. And see, here I go again, changing some of the text. And I just prototyped it so that I could toggle back and forth on a link on my phone and see how that feels. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I've got these 2 designs. I'm gonna take them to a few people and see what they think. I'll get their opinions on it. Like I said, I am gonna change out those thumbnails with actual thumbnails that I've used in the past. I just have to go grab my hard drive and plug it in and throw them on there. But anyways, I think that's pretty good. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. We've got the light and dark theme that I had talked about in the previous videos for this series. So I'm going to go ahead and take what we've got here, and I'm going to go take it to a couple people. I'm going to take it to a designer I know and see what he thinks about it, but I'm also going to go ahead and take it to a few people within the target audience and get an idea on what they think about it and see how they think it feels. But anyways, I really like it, and I hope everyone else likes it, because it's something I would really like to develop and then see where we can get this thing to go in the future. So that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you like the videos that I'm creating on this channel, head on over to my Patreon account at patreon.com/Zachary R. Newton, where you can help support this channel and help me create videos every week. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.